Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Trapti Parekh, legal intern at Lexis and Company. In this video, I will talk about a legal news which is free vaccine for all, a powerful impact of Supreme Court judicial review. On June 7, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announcing a significant change in vaccination policy said that the union government has decided to procure vaccine for state government as well. More importantly, the Prime Minister said the benefit of center free vaccination scheme will be extended to the age group of 18 to 44 years. This revision of vaccine policy comes few after the Supreme Court harsh criticism against it while considering the suo moto case on COVID issues. Out of the several concerns expressed by the bench comprising Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and L. Nageshwar Rao and Ravindra Bhatt, with the liberalized vaccination policy, the two points involved, which are: the first is the dual pricing and procurement policy, which forces states to directly procure vaccine from private manufacturer at a fixed price by them. Why states should pay more? The court asked. Emphasizing the need for uniform price, the court observed that this was prima facie discriminatory as states have the same constitutional obligation as the union protect the health of the people. The second point is the exclusion of the age group 18 to 44 years from the center free vaccination scheme. The court observed that was the prima facie arbitrary and irrational, particularly considering the fact the age group was the worst hit during the second wave of the pandemic. In this connection, it is relevant to note that till a week ago, there was no indication of any revision in the vaccine policy, even though a lot of state government were restlessly calling for the same. Even as a late on May 31st, the center maintained before the Supreme Court that all is well with the vaccination policy, with the Solicitor General of India attempting to create a positive impression by mentioning the possibility of success in talk with the foreign vaccine manufacturer. It is also relevant to note that the Supreme Court in the May 31st order went few steps ahead of its previous order by asking the center to furnish complete data on vaccination purchase history, produce before the court all relevant document and file noting which lead to the policy. The third is explain how the budgetary allocation of rupees 35,000 crore was utilized for the vaccine procurement and clarifying why this amount cannot be utilized for giving free vaccine for the category of 18 to 44 years. It is clear that the court decided to allocate its security to its degree as it was dissatisfied with the affidavit filed by the center in response to the specific queries raised by its in April 30 order. It may be recalled in April 30 order, the Supreme Court detailed constitutional lenic with the vaccine policy and went to extend prima facie, saying that it was detrimental to the right to life and health, and that is need to rethink to make it comfort to mandate of Article 14 and 21 of the Constitution of India. So the court was trading very cautiously, mindfully of its own limitation and the repercussions of the drastic reversal, and was exercising its ask and nudge jurisdiction by highlighting the constitutional problem with the executive policy and urge rethink. The court's intervention was incremental and gradual after giving insufficient window of time for the center to have this deliberation with the expert. It is after a long time that we are witnessing such a well celebrated and powerful act of judicial review. Over the past year, the Supreme Court was coming under severe public criticism of abduction and evasion in important public matter, which impact the constitutional right of citizens. Even the beginning of the suo motu COVID cases were mired in controversy, as it was widely apprehended that the attempt of the court to the High Court, which were passing several powerful order in pandemic related issues. So here is the legal news. Here is the legal news. I hope you like my video. Please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.